How to fix Telegram connecting problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem on Android phone. First, open settings, and here just scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Telegram and then click on it, and after that click force stop, and then go to permissions, and then allow all of those permissions here. If you want to allow it, just click on it and click allow, and after that allow all of those, and that's it. Then just go back and go to data usage, and here we'll find this one, background data and roaming data. You'll find it like that, and also mobile data, just allow all of those, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.